we have given number 25.2 and we have to divide by 3 by using long division. Always the number by which we have to divide must be whole number. So 3 is whole number, so everything is okay. What next? We have to check how many times we can put 3 to 2. We cannot, so we have to take next digit. So we have 25 divided by 3. How many times we can put 3 to 25? 8 times. So on the top we have to write 8. And next we have to do multiplication. 8 times 3 is 24. Next we have to underline and do subtraction. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. We don't have to write. What next? Because we have here decimal number divided by 3. So decimal point we have to take up exactly in the same column, and next digits we take down. So we will have 8 decimal point and we take 2 down. So we have now 12 divided by 3. How many times 3 we can put to 12? 4 times. So we have to keep in the same column, we write the solution. And now 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. So we finish long division and our solution is 8.4.